Alright y'all, we are at my favorite place in the entire world to get groceries, Trader Joe's. I'm going to be taking you with me to show you my favorites at Trader Joe's. Basically just the things that we get on a weekly basis and kind of just stuff that I get every once in a while that are just my favorite snacks, things like that. I've got my mask and so we're going to be heading inside and going shopping. First things first, love a good sparkling water. Trader Joe's has really good sparkling waters. They don't have LaCroix, which kind of sucks. So I think we're gonna get, I think we're gonna get a case of the Pellegrino. And then they have like other flavored Trader Joe's ones that are pretty good. So we might try them. I haven't tried this one, but it is cranberry and lime juice. So we'll see if it's good. Okay, this is one of Cody's favorite meals. It's the sriracha shrimp bowl. He eats them for lunch and they're pretty good. Would you say they're spicy?
Yeah, they have a little kick to them if you're not expecting it, but they're really good.
They're pretty good. He eats these for lunch.
But these look new, Lauren. These Mandarin style orange chicken bowls.
Those look good. You should get that one too.
Yeah.
It's like a little mini
I'm a
orange.
huge fan of orange chicken.
Trader Joe's orange chicken is really good.
As good as Panda Express, but
Absolutely favorite snack from Trader Joe's is their popcorn. This is the herbs and spices popcorn. They also have a dill popcorn that I don't see, but it's really, really good. This one's my favorite. I could eat this whole bag in at least a day, so I'm gonna have to get 2 bags. Okay, I couldn't pass up on getting some pretty flowers that they have, so we're gonna put those in a vase when we get home. But we're pretty stocked up here. We've got a good amount of things in the basket. So we're going to go check out. We might hit up a couple more things. I'm just gonna look around for a little bit and then I'll show you what we have when we get home. Cold brew in a really big container.
oh, okay.
Follow me. It's Trader Joe's cold brew, $4.99. I get like 3 of them to last me the week. I'm just gonna get 2. 3's a little extreme. And we're good to go. Alright y'all, we got some good things here. We just checked out, so we're gonna go ahead and head home. So excited about our flowers. They're so pretty. The hydrangeas. Got some goodies. Oh, I have to show y'all really quick. These everything but the bagel nut duos look so good. I saw them at the register and I had to grab them. Yum. Are you ready to see what we got at Trader Joe's, Shug? We have made it home. We unloaded the car and now it's time to unpack and show you guys what we got. bought, I'm gonna put away the like not important things like strawberries, turkey bacon, like things that aren't specific to Trader Joe's, and then I will show you the rest. All right, here is all of the things that I'm going to show you guys that are my Trader Joe's favorites, things that you can only get at Trader Joe's. And if you shop at Trader Joe's or have access to, you gotta try them. So I showed you guys this seltzer water. This is cranberry and lime. I've actually never tried this flavor. I love all seltzer water, so I feel like I'm gonna like it, but I wanted to try this out and see if it was good. I showed you this also earlier, everything but the Bagel Nut Duo. Y'all, I'm so pumped to try this out. I saw this at the register and had to try it. The lady said it was really good, and I'm pretty sure this is new. She also said they weren't too salty, which they looked like they would be pretty salty, but I'll have to try those out and let you know what I think. I've tried this before and I love it. It's the Green Goddess salad dressing. It's in their cold salad dressing section, and it's just a really healthy, like, good green dressing that doesn't have a bunch of like preservatives and sugars in it. I can't stress enough about their cold brew coffees. I bought 2 of them. Usually I get like 3 or 4, but I just pop these in the fridge. They're only $4 and good to go. I'm probably gonna make me an iced coffee after this. These are some of the TV dinners that Cody likes to get. Not even gonna try to pronounce this one, but it's beef veggies in a spicy chili sauce. He got 2 of those. This I want to say is new. It's an orange chicken bowl, so it's just kind of like their signature Trader Joe's orange chicken, but in just a mini version with their vegetable fried rice. That looks really, really good. And then the Sriracha shrimp bowl. He's loved these for a long time. They're actually really good. I used to eat them also. And so these are just what he likes to eat throughout the week. Another favorite, cannot get over the Trader Joe's salsa authentica. So delicious. I showed this in my last Trader Joe's favorites video. Can't get enough. I eat them with these plantain chips, which I buy 3 at a time because they're only $1, and then I go through them so much. So definitely recommend these. Delicious. They're salty and good. They have a jerk chicken one. Also, don't love those. Recommend these. Their popcorn, specifically the with herbs and spices, delicious. I can eat this whole bag in one day if I really tried. I've done it before. Don't recommend. I bought 2 bags because I know I will probably go through this in a couple days, Cody and I both. But they also have a dill pickle popcorn that is wonderful. Gotta try it. This is actually something that I haven't had before, but it is their frozen acai bowl. It comes with strawberries, blueberries, bananas, granola, and coconut chips. So I'm interested to see how this is, like a good breakfast, something I can like take to work in the morning. See how that is. Always gotta get their frozen rice and quinoa when I go. These are just perfect to take, or not to take, but to cook with any dinners. You literally pop in the microwave for 3 minutes, good to go. It's so much easier than boiling rice. So I always get the brown rice and quinoa. The rice medley is also really good. They're just like perfect and easy. And then last, these are what I'm going to be taking to work to eat. So I got 2 of the Mexicali salads. This looks like it has chicken, some mixed greens, corn, peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, pumpkin seeds, Parmesan cheese, and a jalapeno Caesar dressing. That sounds super good. And then this is just a classic Greek salad. I'll probably take the feta out because I don't like feta, but I love Greek salads. And then this is delicious if you haven't tried it. It is a Mediterranean style orzo pasta salad. Has spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, orzo pasta, feta, and like an olive oil lemon juice. It's delicious, y'all. All right, so these are all of my favorites that I picked up today. Be sure to go ahead and check out my first favorites video that I posted, and I will probably be making more Trader Joe's favorites videos, so make sure to hit subscribe down below, and thanks for watching.